So if Glenn is the assistant of Emerson and you are the assistant of Glenn, therefore you are the assistant to the assistant.
Assistant to assistant.
Assistant.
Para alalay na alalay.
Alalay na alalay.
Alfred.
Assistant ko yan, assistant ko. Ako mo yun.
English.
Hindi yan ako sa ano kung aras.
I am the one who
salok.
inactive sa activity.
Alona.
I prepare those things that we
Prepare.
in the repellent.
Like?
Like gloves, olive oil.
Were you the one who made the gloves?
Then foods.
So mom, we buy it from the
Market, the department store or actual.
Then foods.
What else?
Foods.
Dami rin siya.
How about when it comes to the research of the study? Who made the research?
Emerson.
All?
Yes, I know exactly.
What you know exactly? You know exactly what the research of...
It's only Emerson.
Sorry. Nakadistract na siya nag-English na Nag-English na ako, di-distract na
Lutubo na kami, painter ka pa ng makeup.
Emerson.
You know exactly that Emerson was the one who made the research.
Emerson was the one who
Emerson is the one who made the research.
made the topic of our research. He's the one.
He's the one?
He's the only one.
Manahuli pa.
Ang Tagalog na kami.
No, English.
Very only one.
He's the one who made the research
Sabi si Chan.
by himself.
How about Chandru?
I blend the lemongrass
Nagugas ni siya.
and
Wash the dishes.
I wash the dishes and
Bring Miranda. By Miranda.
I mix the cloves and olive oil. Mix.
Mix the what? Mix the what?
Olive oil and lemongrass
And close.
cloves. And then I blend.
Blend it all.
Blend it all.
Yeah, bam. May proof na.
That's all.
You're a blender.
That's all, baby.
Nandiyan ka ba sa nagbibiga pa?
Yes. Yung pabinura na natin.
Ano ko yun?
Pero natin ginawa to.